How to make a flight plan for the Microsoft Flight Simulator using Simbrief. Firstly, search Simbrief on Google or go to the website simbrief.com. Click on the top link. Here you can create a Navigraph account or just log in if you already have one. When you created or logged into your account, just click No Thanks and then it will take you to the flight planning site. Here you can change your settings, but you can just press Dashboard. As you can see in this page, there are lots of different buttons, but for this tutorial, just press Create New Flight. The flight planning page might look very confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. Firstly, at the top, insert your departure and arrival airport ICAO codes. Once you have those put in, select the aircraft you're flying in the aircraft type field. For me, I'm flying the fly-by-wire A320neo, and it's called A20N in Simbrief. This is optional, but here you can insert your airline's ICAO code and your flight number. Other things should be now automatically set if you don't want to tweak them. Here you can change the flight rules, IFR or VFR. If you want, you can put an alternate airport. On the right, you can find a map of the flight plan, what the Simbrief has made for us. As you can see, the waypoints are selected according to our departure runway. If you don't like what it has selected for you, you can change the departure and arrival runways from here. It makes a new flight plan according to your selection. Now let's check the arrival runway. I'm going to change this to Now our flight plan is ready. In this menu, you can change your fuel amount, but this will be generated automatically. I selected full passengers for the flight. Now you can just generate the flight plan. Now it has neatly collected all the needed information to this page. If you want to, you can insert the plan manually in the plane's MCDU, or for the easier version, you have to scroll down. Press Flight Plan Downloads. Then download the fs2020.pln file. Then in the simulator, press More, then Load. And load from this PC, and load the file you just downloaded. Now you should see the flight plan in your map. You can check if it's correct, and for me it got the arriving runway wrong, so I can change it here. Now if you want an ILS approach, change the approach field to ILS. The flight simulator automatically creates the approach. Now you can fly the plane. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you found this useful.